So this mini tutorial for you guys, what not to do when you're mapping, okay? Just imagine you're doing some mappings, yeah? Separating, yeah, for example. I'm just showing what not to do. Oh my God, so many lengths. These lashes would be amazing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, for example. For example, for the cat look, yeah? Okay, amazing. I did my lash map. How amazing is that? Okay, look at this. We chose just to use for demonstration some lashes. Ignore the length. Okay, for example, now I'm going to separate, yeah? I'm gonna apply some extension. Right. So you isolate, yeah? And you're applying extensions here. Can you imagine when you had many extensions applied here? What would happen? You cannot see properly the lashes because of your mapping so close. Okay, so how to map? I thought that is very simple to understand because when we map or we teach students, we map quite far from the lashes, further away. So let's see, here, here, here. Can you see the difference? And then we write here. For example, I'm now doing completely different lash map. Okay, so when you apply extensions, you clearly can see the separated, isolated lashes. Otherwise, when you write on an iPad, you cannot see because it's dark, it's black.